Tired of losing track of time spent on Asana tasks and struggling to accurately bill clients or analyze project efficiency? This video will show you exactly how to seamlessly integrate Asana and Clockify, making time tracking a breeze. First, you'll need to make sure you have accounts on both Asana and Clockify. If you don't have them already, go ahead and sign up. I'll wait. Once you are logged into Clockify, navigate to your workspace settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or workspace name in the top corner in the workspace settings. Look for a tab labeled Integrations. Click on it. You'll now see a list of all the apps Clockify can connect. To find Asana in the list and click the Enable button next to it. This will redirect you to Asana, where you'll be prompted to authorize Clockify to access your Asana data. Make sure you are logged into the correct Asana account and then click Allow. Now, open up Asana. When you open a task, you should now see a small Clockify timer button appear either next to the task name or within the task details, depending on your Asana layout. Simply click this button to start tracking time directly on that specific Asana task. Clockify will automatically pull in the task name, so you don't have to manually enter it. All the time you track will now be neatly recorded in Clockify, allowing for simplified reporting, accurate timesheets, and enhanced project management. You can now generate detailed reports showing exactly where your time is going on each Asana project. Enjoy your newfound efficiency.